Hello hunters, welcome back to Rugpull Hunter. So have you ever been wondering on how some websites will come online and you try to log into the website and you want to verify if this website is actually like true, actually legit, or is actually fake. So on this video today, I will be teaching you on how to verify websites, how to know if a website is actually legit or not. So today I'll be teaching you on how to use a tool. This tool is called ScamAdviser.com. So head over to your Google and just type your Google or your Chrome, type in ScamAdviser.com. It will take you there to their website here. So you can see this is your website, ScamAdviser.com. Now what you have to do is like click on ScamAdviser here, and if you wait for some security verifications, we have to like wait for some time, you know. So sometimes, have you ever wondered that when you click a page or something, okay, verification successful. So this is how ScamAdviser look like. So ScamAdviser look like this. Sorry for this heart here. So ScamAdviser now look like this. So this is what ScamAdviser look like. ScamAdviser can verify websites, verify phone numbers, can also verify some crypto wallet, and can also verify banks. Now, for this ScamAdviser here, we are going to be checking. Let's check for a site called let's say www dot. You can so any site you want to put here, like see, I want to put site now. It has show the site. So any site that you want to put here, it will work. Just say example www.example.com example.com. So without that, we just click on search and just like wait for some time, and okay, you can see as ScamAdviser said that www.example.com is very likely safe. Now if you go down, scroll down, you can see the score is 100. So if for example now this site, you just try to test it with, it's not safe, the score will not be 100. So 100 means that it's very good, it's very trustworthy. So that is what this score, ScamAdviser true score mean. Sometimes if the score is lower than 100, maybe it's like 20, 10, 30, it's likely not like really safe, you understand. So let me come over. So on this, they also have some positive highlights, and sometimes they also have some negative highlights. So negative, no. So for this website now, there's no negative highlights. So that is how to check to see if a website is actually like legit or if it's just a scam waiting to happen. Then to go into more details, let's come down to, I think, to this side. Okay, let's go into more details, show more details. If you come to more details, you will see the time, the domain. So this is the company data that created this website. This is the company data, everything is there, and this is their website data. So also everything is there. The domain age, yeah, you're able to see the domain age of the website. Domain age is the time the website was created. So for this website, the domain age is 30 years from now. This website, example.com, was created 30 years. So that's how to check it, and you'll see the time they actually like renew the date. You see that last update on this website was on 2026 first, on the first year last month, and so that is it. So that is it. So guys, so if you like what I'm doing on Rugpull Hunter and you want to be part of the team, you want to be part of the Hunter, so that before a scam move, you are already 10 steps ahead. You could actually subscribe to Rugpull Hunter for more amazing content. So see you guys on the next videos. Peace out.